Introducing the 2021 Ford Puma Titanium 5D 1.0T 125 Mhev M6 in sleek grey. This MPV boasts incredible features like Android Auto, Wi-Fi network, and collision avoidance braking for your safety and convenience. With a stylish chrome package and luxurious interior trim, this vehicle offers both style and security. Not to mention, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about your new dream car.